I am Dr. Juhi Jain, Additional Director at Fortis LabFem for Obstetrics and Gynecology. I am working here for more than 14 years and I have a long experience. Today I am supposed to talk little about ectopic pregnancy. The term ectopic means not at the right place. When the pregnancy is not in the uterus, it is called as an ectopic pregnancy. 90% of the time the ectopic would be in the tubes, 10% it would be either in the cervix or around the ovary, or it may be in the cervix or abdominal pregnancy. Per se, this ectopic pregnancy is not very common, but the diagnosis is very important because if we leave it untreated, it can be fatal to the patient. In ectopic pregnancy, the fertilized egg is fertilized in the tube and thereafter normally it should travel into the uterus. But if by any reason it is not able to travel to the uterus, it will get implanted in the tube or near the ovary, and then we have a pregnancy failure, and this is called as ectopic pregnancy. The diagnosis is very, very important because when this fertilized egg grows at an abnormal position, it will neither grow nor will the patient be happy. Patient will not be comfortable. She will have bleeding at the wrong place. The baby will not grow and hence will lead to pregnancy failure. The symptoms of ectopic pregnancy are not very different from any other pregnancy. To begin with, the patient will have a history of missed periods, positive pregnancy test and positive beta HCG. In addition to this, if we should have a high feeling, the doctor should actually feel that the ectopic pregnancy can occur in any woman. There are certain patients who will be at higher risk. For example, those are being treated with ART or are infertile. What we have to look for that the beta HCG may not rise in normal pattern. It is low in rising. Patient has some abdominal pain, vague vaginal discharge or even heavy discharge. If the patient has fainting and history of falling down, we have to very important and rush and make a diagnosis of query ectopic, get an ultrasound done and to confirm the bleeding inside the abdomen. An emergency surgery is to be done. Patients who are at more risk of ectopic pregnancy, one, the most common is when patient has a tubal pathology, either inflammation in the form of genital tuberculosis, STD, or there would be inflammation due to any other infection in the body. As a part of other infections also, there could be pelvic inflammation which can give rise to increased incidence of ectopic pregnancy. Patients with a history of ectopic in the past, patients who have had birth control in the form of IUCD or undergoing treatment for fertility. Tubal pregnancy can occur with patients with tubal ligation, and there is an increased incidence with patients who are used to smoking. What is most important in the treatment of ectopic pregnancy is the diagnosis by the consultant, and the patient should also be aware that there could be an ectopic pregnancy. In what condition should the patient go to a doctor? A patient with early pregnancy and having pain or bleeding should always reach the hospital much in time. The treatment of ectopic pregnancy can be two, medical or surgical. Medical is by injection methotrexate and surgical is either removal of the tube or just milking out the products of conception. Very important is patient asks a common question, whether will I conceive after an ectopic? Yes, the patient is likely to conceive normally even if one tube is cut, because ovulation occurs from the opposite side and migration of the egg can happen and the patient can conceive from the normal tube. In terms of ectopic pregnancy, the most important thing is the diagnosis and the awareness of ectopic pregnancy to the gynecologist. Early diagnosis is the sheet anchor of treatment of ectopic, and patients should also be aware that the pregnancy, if in a wrong way or at the ectopic place, we should not undergo for medical abortion at all.